brakes, brakes. Oh my. Ooh, nice bend, nice bend, nice bend. Sunset. You guys said you wanted some good scenic drives. We're on this back road right here, sunsetting right now. Couldn't ask for a better view right now. So, great day in California. Blessed, truly blessed. Oh, look at that sunset. Downshift, downshift. Oh, look at that view. One more again. Right next to the river too. Super nice right here. Woo. Super nice roads. I think they just repaved these too. I think they did. Look at that view. Oh my, that's the shot right there. That's the shot. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, everybody needs a single turbo in their life. It'll change your whole experience of existence. That shit's so good though, I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit will never get old. I'm trying to tell you, never get old. You know, y'all hear that flutter? Y'all hear that flutter? That shit crazy. Look at that view one more time. Ooh. That shit sounds like, I can't even put words to how good that shit sounds. That shit sounds just different. It's just different. Look at that. Got the river right there. Oh, got a nice little bend right here. Let's take it hard. Let's take it hard. Oh. Woo. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Single turbo 335 IS. Dock. It's a bottom mount kit. She gets the job done. She gets the job done for surely. For surely. Try to tell you. Try to tell you. Woo. Damn, that whistle though too. We're gonna flip a U. We're gonna flip a U. Ooh. Oh, big old speed bump. Damn. That one hurt. Big old speed bump in the middle of the road. That shit was not cool. Let's go the other way. Let's go the other way. Let's go back. Flip a U. Ooh. Damn. She pulling, boys. She pulling, boys. She pulling. Damn. Damn. Nice view. Downshift. Downshift. Third, second. Downshift. Oh my gosh. Oh, she pulling, boys. She hauling right. She hauling now. Brakes. Brakes. Ooh, y'all see that? Look at that. Downshift one more time. Second gear. Damn. Let's just go. We'll go through the motion. We'll go down to. Go to first. Go from first. Go from first. Ease into it. Oh my gosh. That shit's legitly different. Damn. Ooh, nice bend, nice bend, nice bend. Nice bend, nice bend. Ooh. Damn. Oh, I like this little scenic passage. This nice little scenic passage. Damn. She sound good. Later, chill. Just gonna take in the scenery. Take in the scenery, boys. Let's just take in the scenery. Enjoy this beautiful view by the river. Open road. We got to the right. We got open fields. To the left, we got river. Nice, nice, clean river. Might be some salmon in there. Might catch me some dinner tonight, maybe. I might catch me some dinner tonight, boys. Trying to catch me some dinner, boys. Woo! Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, boys. More content's coming. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I'm only telling you, bangers are coming out from here on out. Bangers only, boys. I promise you that. Bangers only. It's only gonna get better and better. Definitely stay tuned. Comment down below. And I'll see y'all in the next one. One last poop for y'all. I'm out, boys. Peace.